Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the app and signing in with the account your team uses. Enter credentials or use SSO, then approve any device permissions so audio and video work. Once done, check your network. Prefer Wi-Fi or a reliable 4G/5G connection and keep battery above 20% during setup. Make sure notifications are enabled so you receive messages and calls in real time. This establishes the baseline for team interactions and avoids immediate connection issues during meetings or chats. You now build the team structure. Create a team or accept an invite and immediately set its privacy to match your workflow. Add channels for projects or functions so conversations stay focused, and invite core members first to seed activity. Once channels exist, assign roles and adjust permissions so people can post, share files, or moderate when needed. Also customize channel notification settings to reduce noise and make sure critical updates reach the right people without overwhelming everyone. You finish by running a structured meeting. Schedule or start instantly, share an agenda and any files ahead of time, then launch with a quick audio/video check. Use screen share for demos, pin the presenter when necessary, and record sessions for absent teammates. After the meeting, follow up with action items in the relevant channel. If something goes wrong, first restart the app, confirm microphone and camera permissions, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.